In this video, I will show you how to add an FAQ question to your WordPress website quickly and easily. The first thing that we need to do is open up Elfsight. This is the tool that we will be using to build the widget, and I've linked it in the description below. Go ahead and click on that link and it will take you straight over to this page. This link also ensures that everything connects properly when we embed it. From here, just enter your email into this box to sign up for free, and then on this next page, create your password. Just like that, we are signed up and ready to go. From here, once we are signed up and we now have access to Elfsight and all of the widgets that come with Elfsight, we are specifically looking for the FAQ widget. So the easiest way to find this is just going to the top of the page to this search widgets bar, and in here, search for FAQ. Just like this, we can now see the FAQ widget is going to appear. So we can go ahead and click into this. And we now have the selection of which template we would like to start with. So as you can see, we have like drop down, we have a multi-column FAQ, an accordion FAQ, all of these different options. And honestly, it really doesn't matter which of these templates you choose because all of these are completely customizable. You can take away this bar at the top. Of course, we can edit what this says. We can take away the search bar. All of these are editable. Once you've chosen your template though, we can click on continue. And the first thing that we are going to do is fill this out with content. So we can click in here and we can see all of the questions that are going to be asked. Like right now we have, can I cancel my subscription at any time? Can I change my plan later on? So we can either go in and we can delete all of these options right here, or we can click in and edit these. So for the first one, let's change this from can I cancel my subscription at any time to how much does a subscription cost? Just like that. And then we can go in here and we can say subscriptions start at $29 and go up to $4.99 depending on your plan. So that's how we can fill out all of these questions. We can just go in and change all of the questions and all of the answers in here. And that's how we can add in the content to this. We can also go in and we can change the widget title. So let's just change this from frequently asked questions. We'll just change this to FAQ. Just like that. So that's the content. We can then go down to the layout and we can choose how this is going to show up. So we have accordion where people can click down. We have list that just shows these, or multi-column. I'm going to stick with accordion. We can then choose the icon right here. So if we look over, this icon is changing. I'll leave this as arrow. Open first question by default. We can turn this on or off. Multiple active questions we can turn on or off. We can choose if we want to show the search bar. And then finally, we have the appearance where we can go down and we can change like the question text color, all of the colors in this area. Once we have set this up and we now have the FAQ filled out with all of our content and it looks how we would like it to look, all we have to do is go up to publish button in this top right corner. And then Elfsight is going to take us over to this screen where we can now choose a plan. Now, the plan that you go for depends on how many monthly website views you get. So you can see we have different plans for all of these different amounts of monthly website views. And of course, we also have this free plan for if you have a smaller website or if you just want to test Elfsight out. Once you have chosen your plan, Elfsight is now going to give us this piece of code. And with this code, this is how we are going to embed the widget and embed the FAQ onto your website. So all we need to do is click on copy code, and then we can go over to your WordPress website. Of course, open this up on the page you want to add the FAQ to. Then we just scroll down to where you want to add this on the website. I'm going to add mine right here. And then all we do is click on this plus icon. In this search bar, search for HTML and drag in this custom HTML to where you want to add the FAQ. Then we just click in and we paste the code that we just copied. In the editor, this is always going to show up as text, but on the actual website, this is going to replace the text. You won't see any of this code. All that's going to be there is the actual FAQ itself. So to show you this, we can click on save, then we can go to view site. And now if we scroll down, we can see the FAQ is now added to the website.